How to find icon size settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find icon size settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and now scroll down until you find this one, home screen and wallpaper. And here we'll find this one, home screen settings. Click on it and here we'll find icon size. Now just click on it and here you can manage it, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change icon size on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.